Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to check if an iPhone is renewed. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to click on settings like this and then just click on general, and here you just have to click on about, and here if you see an unknown part detected or something like that, that means your iPhone has been renewed. If under model number your number starts with this model number, if your model number starts with an F, it means your iPhone is refurbished by Apple itself or a carrier. However, mine says MU69, it means my iPhone is brand new and it's not been refurbished yet. So this is how you find if your iPhone has been renewed. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.